Hi, if you want to enable and use night safety light on Amazfit T-Rex free, then as a first step, swipe left from your watch face to open Apps menu and here select Settings. Now we need to go through this list using this down button, or you can just swipe up on the screen. And here we need to find Workout section. Select it, then scroll a bit down and find Night Safety Light and also choose it. So now it is turned off because the switcher is gray, but we can turn it on by tapping it. So let's tap it. And as you can see, when starting outdoor activities after sunset, the watch will use screen flashing instead of screen off mode. Enabling this feature will significantly reduce the device standby time. If you want to enable it, then press this select button on top. To disable, press this down button back. Let's enable it. And now we can go in screen on duration and change it, for example, set to 3 seconds and confirm by pressing the select button and swipe right to go back. Now we can also change screen color. Instead of red, we can make it yellow or white. So let's just make it yellow and go back. And now we can tap preview and check how it will look. Let's go back and change color to red because I don't like this yellow. Tap preview. And this is the result. So just in case, make sure the night safety light is on before your next outdoor workout after sunset. This will increase your visibility and safety. To disable, just go back in status and tap on the switcher to disable it. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.